The cucumber potato salad really complements it as well, because the waxy, starchy potato with the crisp, fresh cucumber mixed together really gives a nice texture and flavor with it. It's almost like a sweet-sour combination. It's really good. So let's start with the cucumber potato salad. Have some sour cream in there. Dill, fresh dill is always good. You just chop this up. Just nice small cuts is perfect. A little bit garlic for this is great. Let's turn this around. Don't want to overkill it with garlic. That is perfectly fine. So to balance this out here, everything, do it with vinegar. A pear vinegar, it goes really well. You want to have some hearty vinegar, nothing too fancy. Apple cider vinegar would go great as well. And never forget the miracle seasoning, salt and pepper. There it is. Let's mix this up. Let's see how the consistency is here. You want to have it not too loose. Remember, cucumbers are very watery. We're gonna peel the cucumbers now. You have a different shape of the cucumber, not always the same cuts. Nice and thin. And when you get down to the seeds, you're done with it. So I stop right now, mix this up, coming it nicely together, very light, crisp and fresh. Not a lot to do. There it is, a nice cucumber salad. And we're gonna do now the potato salad. It's a little bit more tricky. With the potato salad, you wanna have the dressing lightly emulsified. I love to start this with some mustard, some Dijon mustard. Has a little bit kick to it. It goes really well. We mix this up with some oil. To emulsify, use just olive oil wouldn't work. It breaks. A regular canola oil is perfectly fine. We need to add the oil really slowly, but we always have to be careful not to make it too thick, then it will break. Thin it out with vinegar. Also, not only that you thin this out, you will also have that balance. Cooking is all about balancing everything with sweet, sugar, vinegar, different tastes. You always want to have it in harmony. So it's a game going back and forth between vinegar and oil. And you always want to have that nice consistency. You want to make that dressing a little bit looser. It thickens up with the potato then anyway. And then we do need some flavoring in. For me, a classic thing is always an onion. And add this in. If you have a shallot, use a shallot. It's a little bit more refined. It's so important that we always season everything. Potatoes. Again, for this I like to have a little waxy potatoes. Yukon Gold is perfect for this. You buy a little bigger one, you boil it with the skin on, and then important is don't overcook it, don't undercook it. Peel it and leave it warm. Don't refrigerate it. Just keep it warm while the potato is nice and warm, and you put this in the dressing. What you will have is the pores are not closed yet, so all that fantastic liquid will go into the potato, and that will make the dish. Doing this is perfect with extra moist liquid in there. Now we have cucumber salad and a nice potato salad. Perfectly fine separately. But we're taking a step further today and mix those two up. So that gives you that combination of that rich potato and the nice crisp cucumber. It really is 1, 2, 3, you have everything together. And when your friends come over and see this, they're gonna not know what those green stripes are in there. Very unique and simple. There it is. We have already one side dish for the Wiener Schnitzel.
For more information on Erwin Cooks, visit us online at erwincooks.com.